Welcome to the Gateway Workshop's SIBO Recovery Wellness Plan online practitioner diploma course. This is an approved training course and is your comprehensive guide to understanding, managing, and overcoming small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. Whether you are suffering from SIBO yourself or you are a health professional wanting to support clients effectively, this course provides everything you need to work on achieving lasting wellness. SIBO can be overwhelming, but with the right knowledge and tools, recovery is absolutely possible. This is not just another generic gut health program. This SIBO Recovery Wellness Plan takes you on a complete journey through 8 detailed units, covering everything from the fundamentals of SIBO to advanced treatment strategies and relapse prevention. You will learn about different types of SIBO, the link between SIBO and mental well-being, potential root causes and how to identify them, and also treatment protocols that you can use for yourself or when working with clients. If you want to learn all about ways to identify, manage, and support SIBO, then this course is for you. You will have full tutor support throughout the whole course, so whilst the course is online, you will still benefit from full tutor support when you need it. You have 24-hour access to your own professional learning platform, which makes learning flexible and convenient. We have trained thousands of satisfied students, and our experienced tutors will be there every step of the way to help you complete your approved training. So, train with an award-winning school. Choose the Gateway Workshop's SIBO Recovery Wellness Plan online practitioner diploma course today, and we look forward to working with you. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.